Researchers at Meta have done it again. They have developed new photorealistic synthetic datasets using Unreal Engine that enable more controlled and robust evaluation and training of AI vision systems. If you go to their website, you will see various examples of these datasets. And I will drop the link in video's description. Let me scroll down a bit. And then this is the first dataset, which is for research on out of distribution generalization and for studying the representational space of foundation models. And then there are various cool features of it. You can also download it. The size is around 78 gig. The second dataset of note is ImageNet, which provides a novel, useful benchmark for fine-grained evaluation of image classifiers robustness along several variation factors such as 10 textures, 18 camera orientations, and various other things. Again, you can download it and it is around 27 gig. Third dataset of note is SPAR, which stands for Size Position Attribute Relation, and it is primarily used for evaluation of vision language models. There are various features of it, such as four relations and four attributes around blue, red, glass tone. Size is very minimal, around 16 gig. And then they also give you the GitHub repository which you can visit, and also some of the examples of a real engine, Unreal Engine, sorry, which is a powerful game engine well known in the entertainment industry. Let me also show you the GitHub repo. There is also you can also clone it and use it within your own systems. And there are a lot of other things in this code base which contains download links for Pug dataset, which I just showed you. It also has data loaders which you can use in your code, and also there are some ready-made scripts which you can use out of the box. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any feedback or questions, put them in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.